TV. Let's get to the forecast this morning. Of course, we are tracking on a serious note, a very serious situation for the upcoming weekend. An ice storm warning in effect area-wide through Sunday night at midnight, so technically not expiring until Monday morning. Our day planner forecast for today showing you very cold and cloudy weather. High temperatures this afternoon, pretty similar to what we're seeing this morning. Temperatures right now close to 20. This afternoon, 25 or 26 degrees, with a chance, by the way, for some freezing rain or freezing drizzle later this morning as well. Here's our KSNT satellite and radar showing you the freezing rain hanging out across our southern and easternmost counties, not in our viewing area, but for the state. That is Crawford, Cherokee, even Labette counties. Reports of some icing very close to the Kansas and Oklahoma state line. Our KSNT future track in our neck of the woods later this morning. This is close to lunchtime, 11:30 a.m. Here comes some of that moisture moving south to north across the area, as indicated by some of those pink blobs. So we could start to see some of the freezing rain or freezing mist by lunchtime south of I-70. A better chance for slick roadways tonight as another plume of moisture makes its way across our south towns. Could, though, actually extend as far north as places like Holton and even Westmoreland and Pottawatomie County. We'll be watching that later on tonight. Then some dry time into the early morning hours of tomorrow, but a better chance for widespread accumulating ice starting Saturday night and spilling over into Sunday. This is kind of splitting the difference. Sunday morning at 6 a.m. Notice a lot more pink showing up on the screen. Again, starting mainly south of I-70, but watch what happens throughout the middle portion of Sunday and into the early afternoon. That's a lot of ice, especially across our northern counties with temperatures below freezing, even as late as 3 or 4 p.m. on Sunday. But notice across the south towns Sunday afternoon, plain old rain, and that's because temperatures will start to warm up later this weekend. So the first round of freezing rain or ice will start later this morning. In fact, it's already starting in Kansas, just not in our viewing area. It's the second round, though, late Saturday night and for the first half of Sunday that you just saw outlined on KSNT Future Track that has me most concerned. Models coming in this morning with about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of ice, and if we get closer to that 1/2 inch of ice, pretty much area-wide, or at least the southern half of our viewing area, that's when some of the tree limbs and power lines can come down. Tonight, we fall back down to 22 degrees, a chance for some freezing rain. Brittany, the travel will be slippery and slick in spots as early as today or tonight. But again, just trying to reiterate here, the best chance for ice this weekend is Saturday night and then for the first half of Sunday. I can't make you do anything this weekend. I can't tell you what to do, but I'll try. Traveling here in eastern Kansas is highly discouraged this weekend. Remember, the ice storm warning will not expire until Sunday night at midnight, so really Monday morning. I know the Chiefs game's on Sunday at noon.
A lot going on.
If you're going to the game, the parking lot's open at 6 a.m. You might want to try to get to Kansas City tomorrow.
Yeah.
Wake up in Kansas City on Sunday to go. The roadways are going to be a mess by the Chiefs game.
Yeah, if you are out at all, make sure you are driving very, very carefully because it is going to be a bit of a mess.